What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be installing this new exhaust tip we got for Austin's truck. It was like less than $15 at AutoZone. So we're just going to throw it on there and see what it looks like. And sorry we haven't been posting so much. School starting is just kind of getting in the way of everything. But when we have time, like Friday, we try to film something to post for you guys because we know it's important and we're trying to post more. So yeah,
so keep looking at every Wednesday. Well, hopefully at least every other Wednesday we should have a video. So just
yep. So yeah, let's get into today's video. I wonder how much of that was just wind noise. Alright, so we just put the new exhaust tip on. It looks pretty good. We just kind of tack welded it on there. It doesn't really sound any different that we can tell so far because, I mean, why would it? It's not like making it louder or quieter or anything.
Yeah, I just put it on there for looks because, I mean, why not? It was like 15. It wasn't even $15. It was like $18. Bought it at O'Reilly's or whatever. It's just an idea. So I just been hanging around my garage forever, so I just decided to put it on. So yeah.
Right now what we're gonna try and do is Austin took off this. So this is tape basically. All this it was taped onto the back of my tailgate, and for the past 27 years, you know, obviously it's come off, and it's mainly on that side where it was coming off. And so my grandpa, who gave me this truck, had these screws. They're just like self-tapper screws, just holding it in there. And this one, you know, like they were screwed into the tailgate. This one wasn't really holding it in. The tape was coming off, so that's why he put these in there. And this one started to come out. This one's coming out. Those two are actually in there, so I kind of have to rip them off the tailgate. But I'm going to be removing all the glue for right now, and then once I'm done with that, I'll be putting more on, so hopefully it'll look better. And then I need to get some slightly longer screws. So yeah, we can get into that. nowhere to put it, man. It's hot, man. It's gonna like melt your
my gosh! Melt your case or something.
Okay, so it's the next day now. We didn't quite finish yesterday. All we did, I just was working on doing some of this stuff, like getting this, like the big stuff off. I still got a little bit of this residue crap on here. I gotta get off, like over here, still on here. I did do this piece earlier. I got some. There wasn't very much on here. There's a little piece. I think it was right here. And when I was filming it, and I went to pull it off, and when I went to pull it off, it just all came off. It took me like maybe 30 seconds, so I just stopped filming and just didn't bother it. I wiped it off with Goo Gone just to get some of the sticky stuff off of it. It's pretty much good. I think I could probably put it on now. I need to rub it with, I'm gonna rub this and the tailgate with some hydrogen peroxide, or no, not hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna rub it with rubbing alcohol, so it'll be clean. Because I did wipe these off with Goo Gone, so if I try to stick the tape on here, it's not gonna stick. So I need to do that. But yeah, I just gotta do this, and then once I do this, we can put the tape on. Hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna do that today yet, but we'll get this done, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so I've been doing this a little bit. I tried some Goo Gone. It was working a little bit just to loosen stuff up. That's what I was doing. And then I wash it off with some soapy water just so it doesn't sit on here and ruin my paint. But to get all of it off the quickest way possible, I was using this thing. It's basically a little eraser you put on the end of a drill. It just does all this, like all this stuff, it just wipes right off. But it gets rid of all this really easily, so that's what I've been doing. I just gotta get that finished. I only got a little bit here, a little bit here. Some of this right here is gonna be hard because my paint is chipping. But there's nothing I can do about that. Bad Chrysler paint, nothing, whatever. But yeah, let's get going into that. So I'm gonna be done for today because I got some stuff to do, and I'd rather, just do that, finish this tomorrow. So I was doing a little bit. I washed it off. Don't know why I kept going right after I washed it off, but I only have a little bit, like just right here, a couple little spots here, a little bit down here, just a little bit here, which is pretty much done. I just gotta do that so then the tape will stick better. So tomorrow I'm gonna put the tape on, and then these little screw holes, my grandpa screwed some screws in here to hold it in there because this thing has been coming off for a long time, so it's kind of been in need of a fix. So I'm gonna put the tape on here, and then I'm gonna put some rivets in here instead of screws because I think it'll look better and it might stay better. So yeah, we'll just go from there. And so yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day. I got all this off. I just need to rub it with alcohol to clean it, but it's ready for the tape. So I think I need to run to the store really quick and grab some more tape because I don't think I have enough. And then put the tape on. I think I need to clean this, so I'll show you guys my process of cleaning that. And then yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, let's get into that. Got all the sticky stuff off. I need to clean it now, so I'm going to clean it with this 99% isopropyl alcohol so the tape will stick because I sprayed it with the Goo Gone. So if I just try to put the tape on there, most likely it will stick, but there's a chance it come off. Plus I want this to be permanent, so yeah, so we'll do that. And I gotta measure to make sure I have enough tape because I don't think I do, so I might have to go get some. But yeah. Okay, well, I got done. We put that tape on here. We had to go get some. It was just this stuff right here. I got a huge roll of it. I put these rivets in here, just little aluminum rivets. They actually kind of look good. I honestly kind of like them. They wouldn't be in there if there weren't screw holes there, but there was, so I just put them in there. But yeah, that tape is on there. I kind of screwed up here. It's a little crooked, but for the most part, it's fine. It's hard to tell, but it looks good. Like, I've never seen, like, before, it was not good. So now it's good. So yeah, I'll be like watching a video of Jerry rigging that exhaust tip on there, putting this thing back on. But yeah, hope you liked it. See you next time. Peace.
You live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like a